drive 2021 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.